Hi, welcome to TechForYou. I'm here to show you how to do an animation like this. Quick, free, and very, very easy. So come with me. First, choose your character. I chose myself, right? Of course. Moving on. Let's choose the background. You have so many to choose from. And number 3. Is choose the size, and this depends on the project you want to do. So, is it a YouTube video? Is it a story for reels? Okay. Now, you just have to choose enhanced speech, and that's it. Record it. After that, all you have to do is download it. That's it. Easy, right? I told you. In teaching though, you can create an animation, lip syncing. That's why they created me, and here I am. Hi everyone, would you like to listen to a story about dragons? I'll be coming back for more. So please subscribe and like this video. It would really help me. Thank you.